Hello people of YouTube, my name is Srinivas and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today I will be removing the stock air filter and replacing it with this K&N Air Filter. It's got a lifetime warranty and it's washable and reusable and gives about 2 bhp increase. But it's hardly noticeable, but it's really good in the long run. So let's get to it. So to do that, you need to put your motorcycle on the center stand or the main stand if you would. Just stand on it. There you go. To access the air filter panel, you need to remove the seat first. Now to remove the seat, you need to remove this panel first. You will need your key, remove it, keep it here, pull this small latch, and out comes the seat. You can put it here. And once you do, it's a fairly simple job of a 4mm Allen wrench. Now I've got that Allen wrench right here. Now you might be thinking that you must be needing some sort of a specialized tool. No. The 4mm Allen wrench comes with the stock toolkit that is provided to you with the motorcycle only. So you just lead it counterclockwise and off comes it. Now be very careful, it's got a washer also in it and it's really small, so just pull it gently and keep it aside somewhere. Now this panel is just the one screw thing. It just comes off towards you. You just pull it and then you pull it up and there it goes. Now this is the panel where the air filter is installed. You just need a Phillips screwdriver to unlock these 3 screws and off comes the intake cover. And you just swap it like boop and boop. There you go. And off comes the intake cover. Now this is just, you have to swap it out, and that's your stock air filter. Normally all of the motorcycles that are produced in the world, they come with a paper element as a stock. It's cheap, but yeah, we're not going to be needing that. We will be needing this new one. It's got a cotton element in it and it's already oiled, so make sure you don't touch these things. It's really efficient in catching all the dirt and debris and not letting it go inside, and basically let your engine breathe much better. So you would notice some changes, some very subtle changes but really good ones in your throttle response. That, so I've read. And just have to insert it like that. That's it. But I have to say that I'm not really too happy with the stock intake cover because it restricts the airflow to just these 2 holes. If you want the air filter to perform optimally, you would need something that is open this wide. So I've ordered a custom bracket also that really goes with it, and yeah, hopefully that will arrive much sooner, and the next video would be on that, how to install that. It's actually a pretty much basic thing. You have to just take these out and put that in, but you can also use a saw to take this out, but then again you won't be able to go back to the original stock ones if you ever decided to do that or sell your motorcycle. So yeah, I would not recommend you cutting this thing off. Yeah, let me just put everything back together. Just turn it clockwise. Make sure everything is secure in place, nothing is loose. And now it's only a matter of like putting everything back together. So just put it back in and push it, and that's it. You're done. And you would need a small Allen wrench, and then that's it. Make sure everything is nice and secure, and basically you are done. So yeah, and then close this. Last part is just the seat. Slide it back in, and it automatically fits it. You don't need to do that. I mean, it just drives me up against the wall. And there you have it. A simple, it would take you about 5 to 7 minutes to install it. And that's it. And then once you've installed it, let the engine idle for about 5 minutes or so. That will make sure, 5 to 7 minutes, that will make sure the ECU adjusts it to its optimal settings for the new air filter. Just don't rev it. Thank you so much for watching, guys. Shri out.